Alright, welcome back. Here's the father. This is the pastor. Oh no, technically wait, that's the son. Oops. This is the dad. He's supposed to be the pastor. Give me that. The kids are over. Hold on, I need to fix something. There we go. Alright. And alright, church is done. The kids are coming with me today. Oh shoot. Wait, it's the day you're we're supposed to come this year? Yeah. Ugh. Ugh. Yay! Don't get close to me. Come on, kiddos. What? What? It's time to go. Actually, they're not supposed to go till later today. Okay, see you guys then. Wait, we gotta go to his house tonight? Yeah. No. Mm. Oh, kiddos, come on. Dad, no. No. Mm-mm. Get your butts over here. Kiddos, come on. No. No. I gotta go, guys. Why do we have to stay with you? Guess what? I'm not happy about it either. Come on, guys. It's gonna be a fun weekend. Yeah, a fun weekend. I doubt it. Come on, guys. It's gonna be fun. Yeah. No. No. Yeah, I'm with them. Are you kidding me? I'm not spending the whole weekend with those two brats. Or my stepbrother. I'll be right back. I'm trying to like these kids. I'm not trying to let you be spoiled brat. Hey, I heard that. Oh, shush. So you better get your act together before you're grounded for months. But, Mom, no fair. I don't care. Come on, guys. It's gonna be nice. Yeah. It's not a vacation. Yeah. I don't want to talk to them. Come on, let's just go to our home. Come on, guys.